Okay, welcome. Chris here with the trades. Got three trades for you this evening. Three trades we're looking at. We're going to start off here. We're looking at Qs. Really interesting. This is not a trade, but this is just a look at the market Qs, and also going to take a look at SPY here. Both coming right up into resistance here. Be real interesting to see where this opens up on Monday. If it breaks and opens up a high higher than where we closed, right here at this level that I'm marking right here with my cursor. If it opens up here somewhere, definitely going to be looking for it to dip down into this level and maybe take a run up. Same thing with SPY. If it opens up and gaps up above where it closed on Friday, and certainly above this high here, you're looking to take it, down into this level and then for a push up into this resistance level here at 573. Anyway, the particular stocks I'm looking at here today, just three stocks, interestingly enough, based on my vast list of stocks that I do review on a daily and weekly basis, just three meet the criteria for me. And basically, what we're looking at here, at least what I'm looking for, I'm looking for short-term trades, longs that I can get into and hold either a day or a week or a month, even longer. But looking for a short-term move because these are stocks that have good fundamentals that look like to be good long-term holds, stocks that should be moving up in price. So fundamentally, they are, and technically, but mostly fundamentally, they are a good company. They look good, at least for investments. So that's the first criteria. And then the second thing I'm adding to this, I'm looking for stocks that are on a pullback, that are coming down into some level of support that we can buy, an entry point so that I can buy at that point and look for the move back up. So that's what I'm looking at. Not looking to catch the bottom necessarily, but looking to enter into a reasonable level of risk or to then, of course, move up based off of the technical levels from the chart. So the first one I'm looking at here is GDX. This is the gold miners, Vantek Gold Miners ETF. Okay, so we've definitely moved up as the market has come down. That makes sense. As you can see, I've traded this quite a bit back in the past. You can see these lines are my entries and sell points. And looking for it to come down into this level here. A little bit wide though on the risk because where we closed here was a nice level of support off of these highs from a few weeks back. But looking to come down into this level here, about 6% on risk. Be looking to take it down to about here. I'd probably looking to about this level here. I mean, this makes sense. This is why the support level is written right where it is because look at the highs back here. But I could see it coming down to the lows of this point here, or well, the highs of this point, but coming down into reaching new lows and bouncing off of this level. This would be better. This would make a lot more sense. So I'm looking to buy into this range here, see where we open up, and look for the move back up because it does look strong. Down here on the stochastic, definitely way oversold. So looking for a bounce as it has typically done in the past, though it can hang around down low. But then again, of course, that is on a weakened chart. This is on an uptrend. All right, so the next one I'm looking at here is this one, NC, NACCO Industries. Found some support back here a few weeks back, bounced, nice move up. Seeing if we can do that again. Stochastic is definitely oversold. Looking for a range. It did find some support into this volume back here. It bounced, it moved up. Looking for a continuation. These trend lines here are still trending above this black line, so that generally means support and strong movement still to come. So we're closed at the end of Friday down here. Really, actually, it's probably much too wide. Really, if this doesn't continue up and start moving up to these highs where we can start taking profits, at least that would be my goal. And then I probably wouldn't want to keep buying down into this level. It's a little wide, but that's just the way it is. I mean, this is what this chart is telling me. This is telling me there's an entry here for sure. If it moves up, that's a definite possibility. But the risk might be a little too wide to really start buying in now if it starts to totally fall apart. And last, I'm looking at Yalla Group here. A big push up, definitely. Okay, so obviously this is a strong stock. Fundamentally, looks good, but I'm not going to go chasing after it. No, of course not. But I am interested in this pullback. Again, it does look wide. I mean, it's got a lot of range still to run down to here. I mean, you could start buying in super small. That would be an option. I might do that, but I'm looking forward to find some support down around to this range here. But it does have a bit still to go. We could see it come down into these levels here where they're marked out. This is some level of support. This high here would be a good level of support. but the chart is telling me down into here to this black line, that would be the risk level. It is super wide, hard to get into it like this, but it's got a big move up. Again, the stochastic isn't quite down as much as I'd like it to come down. So really, this one probably, in all honesty, this is more of a watch really than a buy. I mean, if it wants to start screaming back down here on Monday, start totally falling apart, okay, yeah, very interested in that. It's possible it could just keep running back up and miss it. So that's what I got for you. Not a whole lot of opportunities, but the market's in a kind of a weird make or break stage. Really, I mean, like taking a look at cues here, for example. I mean, is it going to turn right back around off of this level here, this resistance, and just fall apart and come back down, or is it going to pop up and run, make or break? Who knows? That's why it's so much fun. Anyway, happy trading.